In this video, I'm going to be telling you a lot of cryptocurrency wallets. A lot of persons are new to cryptocurrency, so they don't know the right wallet to use for every of their transactions. So there are so many wallets, and I'm going to be listing them in this video. So we have the let's go straight to the points. Yes, we have a lot of persons are they just found crypto, they want to invest in crypto, they want to save their money in crypto, be it Bitcoin, be it the USDT, be it like there's a lot of cryptos that you can invest your money on. So in the crypto wallet, I'm going to be listing them. This is a very short video. I just came here to list all the crypto wallets. Yes, so we have the CoinIS, we have the Binance wallet, we have the yellow card, we have the Abra wallet, we have the Passful wallet, we have the bitcoin.com, we have the blockchain.com, we have so many Bitcoin wallet that you can try. So if you want to know how to, like in another video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy Bitcoin directly using our Binance wallet. So for those of you that want to save all your currency using your Binance wallet, I'm going to be buying a crypto, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Yes, how to buy your Bitcoin, how to buy your USDT, how to buy your other coins. Yes, how to buy your Ethereum. There are so many wallets. For the purpose of this video, I just wanted it to be sure. Like I didn't mention a lot of crypto wallet, but on another video I'm going to make a crypto wallet. I'm going to show you how to buy a crypto using our Binance wallet. So in subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin using other wallet like the Trust wallet and others. So I will do that in another video. I just wanted this video to be very short. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you on another one. Bye.